Alright, so we're here in Dale and I forgot the name, but we're in the resort now and it's very small. Yeah. Small jud ayo guys. We're almost 25 kabuok. Apil na ang mga bata. Tapos dili na may maigo diri. It's gamay jud kaayo. Unlike sa among trip before sa Glan, same gyapon but different resort, and also sa Mati. Grabe, nakatulog good ko tarong ato like I have my own bed. But here I have to share beds with my mama. After a long day, guys, we went to Coco Beach. However, fully booked naman sila. After many years, guys, unsa pa ko ato nga grade. I'm not sure if elementary or junior high, but we came here and it was very pretty. If makakita ako picture, I will show you guys. Tapos they were fully booked. Grabe, December man gud karon. Tapos mauto mangita make other places because hindi ko dito kayo dito guys. It's very small. Of the Philippines. So final na jud, we're here at Rosal Resort and this is the room. Mag-room tour ta guys. So I'll be sleeping there tapos mama na ko. So another teacher than me. What we're gonna do today is magbutang punta. I brought my own punda guys because why not? Nagsitit kaayo diri sa akong higdaan. Wapoy noon ako lang ko na. Hindi pa lang ko.
Ano?
The place since yesterday it was night so di siya maklaro, but this was the view yesterday. Guys, I have so many things with me. What? Yes, di mo ko nilang big video.
Oh, sa kuwan. Boy, pa dito magpayong. Padapli ng payong dito. Ay, natig mo pa.
Ingat ka, you. Pag ano nang dira, pag post.
Gani. Anak tong kamutshin.
Sumana, uy, pang tiguang.
Sige lang.
Nani tubig? Ay, fake man na ini.
Ay, walay water.
Walay water. Ana ma ah. Wala, walay water. So, ay plastic naman ito. So, what can you say? Magot ko eh.
It's okay.
No, what's okay?
What's that?
It's a microphone.
Is a microphone? Okay.
Yeah, but it's not
Are
sponsored.
you enjoying here?
Almost
Sort of.
not. Almost not.
Why? Because you're a
Because-
photographer?
No, because we went to a not so okay place yesterday.
But then we are able to meet a place which is very beautiful.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I know.
Yes, let's
How
picture
about
here.
there? Oh, because there's no one there.
I know, it's here.
It's here.
Let's picture here.
Okay. Ay, nag-under ni. Yeah. Guys, I haven't... Akong makeup is base lang, guys. And my mother is nagdali-dali.
Asa man ang van?
Guys, saba kayo akong mama, guys.
Hi guys, we are now living here at Rosal
And we're off to
Resort
where?
and we're off to Isla Hardin
Where is Isla Hardin?
at Gumasaglan, Sarangani Province.
Why do you know this place so much?
Because my husband is came from this place. That is why I know.
And you're very far from here. Why did you come
Mga
here?
gisa me.
How did you meet my dad? She's struggling. I know. Ano naguna naman ka?
Ma'am Lovely siya, no? Mo siya na pa kay Ma'am Lovely.
Ano ay kanang ngit-ngit man god, so like ano na siya suga.
Sige, ana.
Guys, get ready with me. Kita. Ano ang para dili ka tamo. Diba? Hello. Hindi mo siya ngayon.
Kapag pugayo ko no mag-anak ko.
Ako lang, uy. Okay.
Ano mo ready? Hi, we're on the way to Isla Hardin del Mar at Gumasaglan, Sarangani Province. We're just having a tour over there. It's because we're out of time. We're going to Euphoria at Tupi, Sarangani Province. That's all. Bye, guys. Pwede mo gusto mag-picture? It's so init! Oo, namo gidala mo kami.
Let's go.
Yung pa man dahil maring, 10:59.
Guys, look at that view. Workout.
Parking good maring. Vista sa ta.
Silver ko eh. Bulo ano? Hindi ko maigo.
Muna to guys, man na. Ito, 150 na yun. What the heck?
Hello, Phil.
Yes, ma'am. Hiwi siya. Hi. Wow.
Sa glass.
Say, pangalan
Dito,
ka ni
Grass Lodge. Ice
Nastam ko,
cream!
pinakaginani siya kadako. Tapos na,
Ice cream na. Grabing banding na to, ani girl.
na akong kaan for today, guys. Videographer. Oh, hell! Ano ba siya? Easy. Guys, nako sa top of the mountain. Guys, it's very taas. For real. Maluk ko guys, nahulog ako sa cellphone ganina. Pero look at that.
Pila yan nga maring.